Sharma, originally from Himachal Pradesh and now settled in Bombay. I've traveled all over. It's been an out and out learning process for me, and I'm unbelievably blessed to have learned so much here.
I think this place is like an ocean. If you wish, you can take a drop, you can take a bucket full of water. There's no limit to how much you can absorb from it.
I do believe that acting cannot be taught to some extent, but yes, it certainly can be groomed. You can be more and more polished and be a complete actor.
I always knew I could act, but there are so many technicalities to it which you have to know and which you can know only with proper training, which you get here.
हमारे सर जो है किशोर सर, he gives time to his students. यहाँ पे 3 महीने के कोर्स में ऐसा एक दिन नहीं रहा है जब सर ने हमें टाइम ना दिया
कि ऐसा कोई एक दिन नहीं हुआ ऐसा जहाँ पर सर ने हमें टाइम नहीं दिया।
जो एक टीचर्स की तरह नहीं, एक दोस्त की तरह सिखाते हैं।
Kishore sir is like a mentor, is a friend, is family, is a teacher, is everything, and he's always there for any help you need.
And what I have received as an incentive is that I'm a much better person, I'm a transformed person. That is something which has been life-changing for me. The kind of people I've met here, the kind of books I've read after they've been recommended to me by Kishore sir, they've all changed my life.
All our faculties have been so good, be it Abhijit sir, Jeetu sir, Shakur sir, and so on. They're all so good in their own respective fields. They are the best in their fields, and that's how you become the best in everything.
Something, the institute, what it has given me, it's priceless. I'll never be able to repay it, but I'll try to do as much as I can for this institute. It's just like a temple for me. It's a holy place for me.
और अब मुझे लगता है कि मैं इंडस्ट्री के लिए प्रिपेयर हूँ,
बट यहाँ आने के बाद मुझे काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंस आया है. नाउ आई एम रेडी टू जॉइन दिस ग्राउंड और ये प्रे करती हूँ आगे सक्सेस हो, जैसे सर भी खुश, सर का भी नाम और ऊंचा हो.
और हाँ, जहाँ तक सक्सेस की बात है कि यानी सक्सेस मिले या नहीं मिले, लेकिन मैं सक्सेसफुल हूँ.
In my own capabilities, whatever I will be able to do, I'm going to do it for my institute, for our institute, because it's my duty. These 3 months have been the best time of my life. I'm going to remember it and cherish it forever. Also because it made me discover my real self, and I'm thankful to Kishore sir for that.